Hey guys, it's Big C. It's 10/10, Wednesday, December 26th. Just got in. I've been out plowing snow all day, so I'm going to go ahead and do this now because I got a busy morning tomorrow. So we're doing the Panini Black that ended last night. We'll go ahead with the sign-up sheet. 2012 Panini Black Football, one box break, and then 12/25. And actually this stuff has really been nice. That last box I did the break on was really nice. I don't know if there was any chipping, because I've opened a few boxes and there's been some chipping. So probably the biggest card I got out of them so far was a Russell Wilson auto, and then also on that his autograph was smeared. Looked like he stuck his thumb right on it and smeared it. So I'll probably send that back to Panini if they let me. I don't even know if they'll let me. So, but the card's been really nice. So there is the sheet, and we'll go ahead with the old Panini Black. I guess it should be new Panini Black. There's the box, and here we go. Yeah, I really like this stuff. Let's see what we got here. I think it's two. I'm not exactly for sure. All right, on a 349, Marvin McNutt for the Eagles, and that's the Astros fan. T.Y. Hilton, rookie for the Colts, and that is Seattle. Numbered out of 349. And again, these cards look really good. Nice and clean. 349 Drew Brees for the Saints. ISU Jams. Then we got Steve Smith for the Panthers. ADY BLYTH out of 349. Then we got Matt Castle for the Chiefs, short printed out of 49. And that would be Captain Nemo. And then we've got Lennon Fletcher, captain for the Redskins, and that's also Seattle out of 349. Then we have Weaponry, MJD Jaguars, Government Grant, 349. Then we have, that's a sick patch here, Ryan Broyles, Lions, Captain Nemo, 349. Then we have Kevin Seitzer for the Bengals, 618 Jim B 57 or JB 57 or Jim B 57. My bad. That's numbered out of 199. Then we have a Ryan Lindley for the Cardinals, ADY BLYTH out of 199. Then we have Chris Givens for the Rams, 299. The last one is for the Bucks. Ooh, nice patch. Warren Sapp and Derek Brooks, and that's 23 out of 49. So that was RXMEZ. So there you have the break for the Black. Again, a good box, nice clean box. So again, keep checking out my auctions. Big C 2014. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.